Ever wondered why you yawn? Is it boredom, sleepiness, or something more? Turns out, yawning is your brain's way of cooling down and staying alert. When you yawn, you take in a deep breath, sending a rush of cool air to your brain, which helps regulate its temperature. But that's not all. Yawning also increases blood flow and stretches your lungs and tissues, which helps improve muscle function and joint movement. Some scientists believe it's also a social cue, signaling to others that it's time to be more alert.